Hi, welcome back to Wine Mastery. We're here to tell you about a Pinot Grigio, not from the north of Italy, but from Sicily. We're going to taste it now. So this one is called Alluria. It is $7.49, which is a brilliant.
I knew that would please you. I knew. Yeah, I know you're really excited to try this because it's $7.49.
Less than halfway to £8.
I just saw you. It's the rubbing of the hands that really made that. Go on then.
Now, it is, as I say, from Sicily. Here's a bottle. Let's have a look at the bottle just so you can recognise it if you see it online. Now it's called Alluria, I think, and it's organic. Now I actually was talking to a lady from a university, Huddersfield University, and she only drinks organic wine.
Yeah, I mean it's becoming more popular definitely in my shop as well. A lot of people, well I don't know if it is true or not, they think they get less of a hangover if they drink organic wines.
Oh really?
Yeah, which I suppose is going to be true, isn't it, to a certain extent, because it doesn't have the chemicals in there. So I'm just going to have to try drinking more organic wine, aren't I?
We'll have to try.
Yeah.
But I think it's becoming more and more available as well, isn't it, on the market?
Definitely.
So it's definitely...
A lot of them are coming through, they're not even actually, we're getting them almost by default, if you know what I mean. We're not actually going out and looking for organic wines, but when the wines come in, it's oh, it's organic.
Yeah, you're just ordering wine, not realising it, but it just happens.
It's getting in there, yeah. So I bet it's, yeah.
Okay. Well, should we have a look at the colour of this one and see what we think?
We'll
Now, Pinot Grigio is, for you, John, is always that you think that it used to be really nice in days gone by.
That's right, yeah.
But it's like sort of lost its way, and it's normally very sort of pale and
as it's become more fashionable, I think it's become
bland.
Yeah, that's it. But it will go with nearly everything. Hence why people go for it, because you can't go wrong with it. It's neither here nor there. But let's have a look at this one.
Let's have a look at this one.
I mean, you can already see it's got a little more colour about it.
It has actually, isn't it? Yeah. And I understand that normally Pinot Grigio is normally sort of traditionally has been from northern Italy.
Yeah.
Whereas this one's from Sicily. So obviously it's going to have different climatic conditions. So maybe it's going to change the taste.
Yeah, we'll show more. I'm actually liking the colour of that, John.
Yeah.
But it's not quite. It's not too pale, not too dark.
No.
It looks.
It's not lemon, is it? It's not yellow. But it's. I'm just trying to think what it's. It's a
light
gold. It's like golden colour to it.
It's not quite got to the yellow yet, has it?
No.
Which is fine. All right.
Yeah.
Let's have a go on the old nose.
Okay. That smells nice.
It does smell nice.
I'm getting melons.
Yeah. They're not very, very peachy and lush.
Yeah, peach as well. Yeah.
It's like a honeydew lemon. It's got that. It almost smells like it's going to be sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, you can almost like peaches. You can almost imagine the smell when you're cutting peaches and
the juiciness.
Yeah, juiciness. Yeah.
That's really good.
It is very nice. Yeah.
£7.49. That's
yeah, because again, some Pinot Grigios you would smell them and not get a lot.
You
from
struggle.
them.
You have to work for it, but that's coming out nicely. That's coming to meet you, which is always a good sign.
Always a good sign.
No, well. So let's go see what's on the palate. So that's the
acid test.
Yeah, that is the main thing.
When I say acid, I don't mean...
No, I didn't think you did, John.
No.
It's not that kind of channel.
No.
No. All right, okay.
That's just so pleasant.
That is.
It's not like... because I mean, what I'm trying to say, it would not be, it'd be too strong otherwise. It's not like to hit you kind of think, oh, that's really strong, but it's just lovely and pleasant. It's a lovely taste. It's not sort of battering your palates in any way.
No.
It's very smooth. It's just very refreshing, and the acidity is there just to make your mouth feel nice and fresh afterwards.
That's a really nice drink, actually, John. I think, I'm tasting that, and everything we said that was on the nose has come through.
Yeah.
Like you said, the acidity is nice, not too overpowering. It almost comes across a touch of sweetness, but I think that's coming from that honeydew melon thing. I think that's coming through there. That's why I'm getting that.
Yeah.
And just there, I think one extra element. I think there is it's a little bit of pear. It's a bit of pear. So I was just going and just talking. I thought, oh, that is there as well. But there's really soft
on the
ones.
aftertaste.
Yeah, or the final get a bit of fruit in there for me.
Yeah.
Those really soft ones that you dribble all over. That kind of.
I'm not sure if I'm tasting that just because do you know what I mean? When someone says it to you, you think Am I?
Oh, yeah.
You know, is my mind imagining that, or?
I think it's the skin in particular I can taste from the pear.
Well, one of those green juicy ones, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So that, yeah, I mean, there's not a lot of length there, but again, $7.49. That is.
Yeah. And I guess, you know, in terms of, you know, Pinot Grigio, there's not many people would think, oh, I don't think I'm going to get a Pinot Grigio and I'm going to dissect it and I'm going to sit with it, you know, and think about the taste. It's much more of a sort of like a social drink where everyone's, you know, you're talking to people, maybe.
Yes, that would be something I'd describe as very pleasant.
Uh-huh.
Do you know, it's not out there wild, but as you say, it almost harks back to the Pinot Grigio of old, where it is a little bit more fruity, a little bit more body about it, but it's still not massive. But that's fine. That's a nice style, and you know, I'm really enjoying that. Really enjoying that.
I'm really enjoying it. I mean, you know, it's one of the wines that I'd be quite happy in, you know, at a party or just chatting with friends and not necessarily needing anything to eat with it.
No, you're right, and but it doesn't take much concentration either.
No,
this is a lovely.
There's enough there if you do want to concentrate on it to that's nice, I can taste this and that, but it's just nice and it's nice and relaxed, isn't it?
Yeah, it can fly under the radar as well, can't it? And it can be appreciated without being dissected.
And when it goes into your mouth, it's just the image I had then was when it goes into your mouth, it's like you know, you sort of get and you're just flopping on your settee, and it's like you know, just sort of relaxing, and it's like that's what the wine does on your tongue. It just flops back, and it's just. Nice,
there you go.
Nice
Add a bit of that.
Yeah,
some me is that.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah,
I can get that.
That's lovely to smell again. And quite often when I'm drinking wine, after I started drinking wine, I very often can't smell the nose again. But that is still very prevalent. Oh, he's doing his skin test.
Well, you just reminded me then how.
They probably think it's snuff or worse.
I'm saying no.
No, that is very nice. Well, should we move on to pairing? Do you want me to go first with food, or do you want to have a go?
I'll let you go first with food because I've just been enjoying the wine.
Not thinking about it. Well, actually, I mean, obviously, this I think is, as I said, perfectly satisfactory to drink this on its own. You don't need to have food with it. If I was going to have food with it, or if I was to pair it with food, then I'd say I would definitely say fish. But I'm thinking more sort of like prawns or shrimps rather than sort of a buttered skate or something like that, or a cod in salt. I think something, you know, just like shelled fish. It'd go well with this. But you know, it's got enough acidity that if you were having maybe a pizza, not I mean a very meaty pizza, but sort of a light pizza with some basil on or something, it's probably got just enough acidity to cope with that, but not a strong tasting pizza.
That's the evening kind of, you know, nice warm evening, those lovely stone baked pizza, a little bit of that, and there's no attention on either the food or the wine per se. It's more like the conversations going around. But that's I get that. Yeah. I get that. Cheese-wise, I'm going to go for probably something. It'd have to be delicate and used milk, I'd say, with it. So I'm going to lean for something like Ozo Rate. I know it's not quite the same. It's made in the Basque region, but I think that would suit that. Or even so we've got a new one. Well, I said new one. We've had it for something called Wigmore, which is an English brie style. I reckon that again, it's very delicate, creamy, light, and almost a touch sweet. I think would. That go together well.
Do you know what I was thinking of as well then? I think, you know that the cheese that's in the little dumpling, you know, the little round Italian cheese.
Oh, burrata.
Burrata, yeah.
Yes.
That with a salad.
Burrata, yeah.
That would...
That would, the burrata, yeah, because that's got that youth and the freshness as well, isn't it? Yeah, that would definitely sit, yeah.
Sorry to impinge on your cheese
No. I beg your pardon. I tell you, I'm coughing. Stop it, John. Well, once again, we're going to leave that one right before John gets far too excited.
So we move on to score then.
Score it is.
Okay.
Okay, yes, of course. All right. Let's have a little taste here. Score. Nice. The price is definitely a massive influence on this. Flavours good, so it's got to be generous for me. There you go.
I'm going to go 88.
Ooh, 82.
Okay.
82, but
The price pushed it for me. I was thinking, you know.
I knew it would, John. I knew. Why wouldn't it? You know, it's the price. Not 7.49. Cracking price.
Cracking price. I mean, I would, you know, I would certainly not hesitate in getting another one of those bottles. And you know, it's so flexible in terms of when you could have, you know, a surprise visit from friends. You could knock out the bottle then and say you're having a meal or sort of like a takeaway coming in. It's just so versatile.
Yeah.
I just give it a marks for that. I think it's well worth it. Well worth the money.
I think it definitely suit a lot of palates with that as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, guys. Well, if you get to try this, let us know what you think, and if you get to try it with some different food, let us know what you tried it with. Also, if you get the chance and you like this, please click the like button and subscribe. That helps us other people find us as well. And so until the next time, guys, when hopefully we'll be tasting and enjoying
And yes, fingers crossed.
wine as much as this. Chin chin.
Chin chin.